Ever been stuck at the checkout, desperately trying to figure out if you can ditch that physical Target card and just use Apple Pay? Let's get that sorted out right now. Alright, let's clear up the confusion. You cannot directly add a regular Target store card to Apple Pay. Bummer. I know these store cards are typically closed loop, meaning they only work within Target stores. However, if you have a Target REDcard, and it's the credit or debit version with a Visa or Mastercard logo, then you're in luck. Here's how to add your eligible Target REDcard to Apple Pay. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap the plus sign, usually found in the top right corner. To add a new card, select Debit or Credit Card. You can either use your phone's camera to scan your Target REDcard, which is usually the quickest way, or you can choose to enter your card details manually. If you choose to enter them manually, carefully type in your card number, expiration date, and security code. You'll then need to agree to the terms and conditions. Take a quick look, and then tap Agree. Apple will verify your card with Target or your bank. Once verified, your Target REDcard will be active in Apple Pay. Now you can enjoy the convenience of contactless payments at Target and anywhere else that accepts Apple Pay. Just hold your iPhone or Apple Watch near the payment terminal, and you're good to go. Enjoy the savings.